Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to safely eject this connected Samsung T9 portable SSD from the phone. So here you can see this portable SSD is successfully connected to this device. You can see the name of this SSD you can see on your file application. If you open your file application, you can see the connected SSD name. Okay, if you tap on this one, you can see all the files on the SSD you can see. So let me show you how to safely eject. If you press and hold the name of the SSD, you can see three options. You can rename, you can erase, and you can see the information of this SSD. If you tap on the SSD name and here on the top right side, you can see three dots. Here also you will not get the option to safely eject this SSD from this device. So let me show you. First of all, close all the app. Let me show you how to safely eject this connected SSD from this device. First of all, close all the applications. Just remove the cable from your device simply. Simply in this way, we can eject the SSD from this device. If you go to the files application, now you can see the name is not there. So simply in this way, we can safely eject the connected SSD from this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.